Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. Today we're going to talk about how to make money with PLR, and I'm going to give you a free checklist to show you how to turn a PLR product into $500 or more. Okay, so if you're new to the channel and you want to learn how to do more to market your message in less time, and you need to understand it's not about faster, it's about focus, go ahead, subscribe to the channel to get more videos where I talk about great things like we're talking about today, and I give you stuff like the free checklist that you're getting at the end of this video. All right, so let's jump into this. So first and foremost, how to make money with PLR. Okay, so let's talk about first things first is you got to find high quality PLR. Okay, so let's jump over and take a look at Content Sparks. And the reason I'm showing you inside of Content Sparks, which there's a link in the description to check this out for yourself, is you see a product here called Quiz Building for Marketers. Okay, so I purchased this PLR product, and I created a product of my own called Quick Q&A Commissions, and you can see the sales page right here, which there's a link in the description if you want to check out the sales page, which I highly recommend that you do. You'll see the product that I created. If I scroll down a little bit further, you can see the solution to your problems is Quick Q&A Commissions, and it's about using quizzes to generate leads. So long story short, I started with ClickBank, and I started inside of potty training. So my goal was to generate leads and to make sales of an affiliate offer. So I used this idea of generating leads via quizzes. So I ran Facebook ads to quizzes, had a quiz inside of there that led them to the solution, which was the potty training products that I was selling. So I learned that from a training program, and then I combined that with the structure that I found inside of the PLR product. So let me go back to Content Sparks and show you how I was able to take this Quiz Building for Marketers PLR product and use everything that I learned by building my own quizzes and being an affiliate for potty training, and combine the two and build my own product. Okay, so the reason I want to show you this is because the point here is that yes, you can take a PLR product and you can turn it into a product of your own, but you need to add your own experience in there. You need to be able to show people that you either done what's in the PLR and you've accomplished whatever the goal is that you set out for your product, what the problem is that your product, the solution that your product is providing the person when they buy it, once you create it from the PLR product. So in this case, again, I was able to build quizzes, run Facebook ads, generate revenue, and then I took the product here, as I want to show you the course modules, the resources here. The thing that I didn't learn, that I learned from the PLR, was how to format course books, workbooks, summary checklists, build infographics, do things like this, bonus templates for generating title formulas for your quiz question generator spreadsheets, quiz setup checklist. So I had the knowledge that I gained from setting up the Facebook ads and building the quiz myself, but what I was missing, what I didn't have, what I didn't learn doing that process of generating revenue from being an affiliate marketer was I didn't understand, and I didn't know or have a clear idea of how to put it into my own product and build things and utilize things like bonuses here, where you can see quick title formulas, question outcome generator spreadsheets, and the bonus quiz setup checklist. So if you keep scrolling down here, you'll see here what I'm talking about inside of the Quiz Builder for Marketers workbook. You can see the way this workbook is organized. So I was able to take this PLR structure, add it to my knowledge that I gained through actually doing what they teach inside this PLR product, based upon real world activity of me using Facebook ads to generate revenue of selling potty training products as an affiliate. So you can see there, again, the point me showing you inside the PLR product is to understand the PLR product gives you the framework and the structure, and there's a lot of great detail in this product as well about how to use quizzes to generate leads, and I learned a few tricks from inside this PLR as well. But the main focus here was the structure, was the organization of the course book and the report itself. So you can see right here, you can see inside the summary checklist, gives you a great format to follow, which I was able to do. You can see here the infographics. I use some of those as well as the formatting. If you keep scrolling down here, this is the last thing I wanted to show you, was the actual report itself. And the spreadsheets that were generated here for a quiz generator spreadsheet. So this gave me a great idea of how to add more value to the product based upon the information and the knowledge I gained from purchasing this PLR product with my real world knowledge that I gained from being an affiliate running those Facebook ads. So again, that's quick Q&A commissions. The sales page, so you can check that out, is in the link is in the description. It's currently not for sale. There is a waiting list. A new update, a new version of that will be coming out in 2020 with some more things that I've learned and some I want to say better tools. They're not really better, they're just different. It's just a different spin on quick Q&A commissions and using quizzes and using lead generation tactics such as building decision trees. So it's quizzes versus decision trees, and yeah, it's a little more in depth, and it'll cover more things, and it'll really get away from the free aspect that the angle I took in this first quick Q&A commissions product was how to do it for free versus how to do it for paid. So I'm really going to strip that free piece out, because honestly you can do so much more if you invest in yourself and you invest in your knowledge and you actually believe that what you're doing is worth your time and your money. So again, that was quick Q&A commissions. That was the product. That's the format inside the PLR that I used. And I just wanted to show you the PLR. I wanted to show you and talk about quick Q&A commissions. One thing real quick, I will show you inside the Warrior Plus dashboard, so you know I'm just not blowing smoke about this. These are the vendor stats from 1/1/18 to 10/30/18, and you can see before I took quick Q&A commissions off the market, because I knew it needed to be updated, and I wanted to, again, like I said, update it to make it the best product as possible, and that's going to be happening in 2020. But as you can see right here, that product generated $728.85 in revenue, total sales. So again, the checklist that I'm about to show you that states how to turn PLR into a $500 premium product is most definitely true, and it does work. As you can see right here on the screen, this is much easier than you think if you follow this checklist. And this checklist that you can download for free, the link in the description, pinned in the first comment. Go ahead, download this checklist. It'll give you everything you need, as well as a link to Content Sparks, where you can check out some other great PLR packs that they have there, where you can, again, learn from the PLR product and take the knowledge you currently have and the knowledge that you gain and the format that you'll get from that PLR pack to use to build your own course. You can easily do this yourself. All you have to do is mix all that together and add the last step, which is taking action. All right. So again, this is Gary Baker with 30minutemarketing.net. I wanted this one to be real quick. I wanted this one to focus hard and show you how you can take a PLR product for real and turn it into a $500 or more product, just like I did with quick Q&A commission. So again, there'll be a subscribe button here. Get more videos like this. There'll be a timer, 30 minutes. Go ahead and click that. There'll be a video on the side. It'll be relevant to what we talked about here. Most likely it'll talk more about PLR, and that's it. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Got any questions? And I'll talk to you later. Bye.